We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Press the Power button on the Samsung TV to turn it on. Point the remote control directly at the TV and hold down the Exit button for 12 seconds. Press the Enter button on the remote control to reset the TV. The unit will power itself off.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.